This is a backup file from an LG smartphone. It's encrypted. You typically need the LG Bridge software to restore the data to a phone. You can't read it on PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's walk through it. My experience tells me that some LBF files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. System utilities will report the LBF as a member of the backup file category. This file strictly adheres to the LG backup file specification. The LBF file is a highly proprietary backup file format used by LG Mobile Support Tool. It functions as a complete, compressed, and encrypted backup of a user's mobile device data, including contacts, messages, and photos. Developed by LG Mobile, the format is closed source and optimized for secure mobile data transfer. Its structure is only recognized by the LG Mobile Support Tool. Attempting to open it manually is futile, as it requires the specific LG restoration protocol to correctly extract and apply the data back to a device. The LBF extension has a direct link to the LG Mobile Switch application by LG Electronics. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows supports only the file shell, not the stored content, so proper access needs a restoration tool. Your first step in isolating the problem. Right-click the LBF file and select Open With. If LG Mobile Switch is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. Given the proprietary nature of this LBF file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is from Microsoft Outlook, Light Business File, or Logitech backup software. Next, use the original application. If Logitech, use the Logitech Vid HD software. If Outlook, open the associated email client. Finally, use Archive Extractor. If the file is suspected to be an archive, use a robust archive utility like 7-zip to check the contents or rename the file to zip. If the system couldn't interpret the LBF file, it's clear that we need to escalate to a universal viewer. It is worth a try for strict or unusual formats. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the LBF problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. The software mentioned is available via the link in the description.